another boy coming down. Me and little girl going to come down that swimming slide. Watch out. Come here. Be careful, little boys, against the slide down. Don't get hurt. What's my pool? I don't know. What's pool? That pool. What? Mine? Corbin, rub some on your butt! On your butt! Move, little girl, move! Hurry, he's coming!
Do it again! Go!
Move, little girl, he's coming, little girl! Move! That's fun.
We'll do it again, really fast. Run hard, hurry, get up there. Run!
I don't need to run. Can't run up this.
Kaylee, I'm waiting on you. Come on! Come on! Run fast! Wasn't that funner? Or that ain't even a word. Wasn't that more fun?
Pretty much.
Alright, so let's do it again.
The going backward was kind of freaky.
Now do it again. Go! Come on, Kylie, get up and run! Get up and run! Yeah! Get up and run! Do it again. That's awesome.
You gonna come?